South India, floods in Karnataka state. More than $2.5 billion damage caused by flood. Floods caused more than $2.5 billion damage of infrastructure. More than 18 million people have been affected by floods in 18 of 29 districts in Karnataka state. More than 220 people died in the state due to torrential rains and floods. Flood tolls in Andhra, Karnataka state raised to 275 and counting. Helicopters could rescue only about 150 people. More than $5 billion in crop damage due to floods. Standing crops in 2.5 million hectares of land have been destroyed in the floods. In Karnataka, floods killed over 220 people and damaged more than 500,000 homes. Many families and children are displaced. More than 1,600 relief camps have been opened, sheltering about 700,000 people. More shelters and food needed. Schools in many districts are heavily damaged and destroyed. Low-income families and children are the most affected. Help donate for the worthy cause. Karnataka flood victims. President of Veerashaiva Samaja of North America, on behalf of all members, is pleading and appealing to you all to donate for this worthy cause. Please donate and save lives. All proceeds will be directly going to the flood victims for relief efforts. For donations, please contact any of the following: Jagdish Mandi, President VSNA Toronto Chapter, at 905-895-1263 from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Any of the following members of VSNA Toronto Chapter: Girija Mant at 416-291-3161 from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Kaushalya Chincholi at 905-824-2903 all day. Usha Navaliyal at 905-794-4203 all day. Kalpana Mandi at 1877-940-5099 from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. VSNA Toronto Chapter is a not-for-profit, registered charitable and religious organization. All donations are eligible for tax deductions according to Revenue Canada Tax Act. Please donate for a worthy cause. Karnataka flood victims.